We're going to work on Orange Glee here. We have two different questions. One is the total cost at the medium level, and the other is the per unit cost at the per unit fixed cost at the high level. So let's do the first one. So total cost is variable and fixed. So we'll need both of those. And so let me set this up for you. Okay, so we know that the data given to you is at the 30,000 unit level, and that the total cost is the 180 and the 120. But we want the same thing at the 41,000. All right, so the per unit does not matter for fixed because it doesn't change per unit. So the 120 is still the 120. Fixed costs don't change with activity. But the variable cost will change, even though per unit it's the same. As there's more of it, total cost goes up. That's the definition of variable cost, right? It goes up or down with activity. So we have to solve for what the per unit is and then use it again at the new activity. So that would be the 180 divided by the 30,000. So it looks like the variable cost, which is your direct material, direct labor, variable overhead, that the variable production costs are $6 a unit. Well, they'll continue to be $6 a unit, except now there's more units. So now we have to multiply that times the new units. And so then the total cost is both the variable and fixed at the new level. So that's the total cost for medium. Now what about the per unit fixed cost at high? What will the fixed cost be at high? Well, let's copy this over here. So we know the total cost is $120,000 for all three levels of fixed. It doesn't change with activity. We can calculate the per unit. That's fine. So the fixed cost per unit at that higher will be the 120 divided by the new units. So it'll be $2.26. Let me know if you have a question.